Pour out however much rice you want to make into a strainer and then rinse it. Don't have a strainer? Put it into a bowl and then do this continuously. Or this. Look, I don't care how you do it, but if you skip this step, I will find you. Throw that shit in a pot and add the same volume of water plus half a cup. Again, regardless of how much rice you're making, take the volume of rice and add 1/2 of a cup. Making an 1/8 cup of rice? Cool, looks like you're using 5/8 a cup of water. And if anyone told you that bullshit about 1.5 times the amount of rice, you should remove them from your life. At this point, you can throw in whatever aromatic and flavor shit that you want. Or don't. Maybe you like unseasoned things. Maybe you just like bland stuff. I don't judge. Yes, I do. Now, turn up the heat to max, wait until it starts boiling, drop it down to a low simmer, and leave it there for 8 to 10 minutes. Don't touch it, don't open it, don't look at it too hard. Just leave it the fuck alone. Once it's done, take out a fork, fluff it up real good, and you're done. Look, if you do it right, it doesn't even leave any kind of crust on the bottom. There you go, you're done. Make your damn rice. Written steps in the description.